Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about Bitmart Vote to Earn NFT. This is an NFT that you can hold to vote new listings on Bitmart and get guaranteed airdrop from Bitmart Exchange. You can as well sell the NFT on purchase in any NFT market place, either on Bitmart Exchange, Rarible, or OpenSea. So how do you get this token and what is it used for? It is a utility token, NFT token that you can use to vote new listings on Bitmart. Take for instance, a project wants to come live on Bitmart, so users or holders of this NFT will have to vote for the token to be listed, and once it passes the benchmark of 500 votes, then the token will be listed successfully on Bitmart, and upon listing, the voters will receive a guaranteed airdrop from Bitmart as a token of appreciation. So that is how it works. So you can as well, if you don't wish to vote, you can also sell off your NFT on any of the marketplaces. So how can one get this Bitmart token? So let's go to our Bitmart exchange. Once you open your Bitmart here, you will see this captions: NFT and chat, launchpad, vote listing. So let's go to the NFT section and see how it is and how the Bitmart NFT looks, vote to earn NFT looks like. Now this is the vote to earn NFT under the hot collection. This is how the NFT looks like. So this person has listed his own at the rate of 90 USDT, 90.99 USDT. This is how the vote to earn looks like. So you can come here and purchase. These are the prices. 65. You just look for something that is cheaper. I think we've seen $65. We've seen another 65.9. So if you don't wish to vote, you can also list your vote to earn NFT here in Bitmart Exchange, Bitmart NFT Marketplace, or Rarible, or even OpenSea or any other place. So those that knows the words will also purchase and come to Bitmart to participate in the voting and get their weekly guaranteed reward. So this is how the votes to earn NFT looks like. So how do we vote? So let me take you also to the voting section. So this is vote listing. You click on vote listing, it will take you to this place. So in this vote listing page, you will see all the coins. All these are the coins that has successfully completed their votes limits and has been listed on Bitmart Exchange. So if you go to Bitmart Exchange now, you'll see all these tokens live, and the voters of these tokens have received their guaranteed airdrop. So I have been with them from day one. So we'll have two upcoming vote listing. This thing happens every week. Like lucky, this is today, this one is coming up tomorrow, and this one will be coming up. This one is coming up tomorrow in the next 2 hours, and this one in the next maybe approximately 2 days. So it comes up at least two in a week. So you stand the chance of getting some tokens or make some money online. Now for this particular one, let's take this one as a case study. So this is Findora token, and the token is a public blockchain with customizable privacy that offers on-chain confidentiality for stablecoins, wrap token, NFT. So it has good use case, and this is the chain, the total supply, circulating supply, the key features and highlights. So the key features of this token is its confidentiality. It is okay, the confidentiality, the auditability, the programmability, and the interoperability. So these are the uh, key features of this particular token. Now, this voting is on its qualification period now. So after this qualification period, the voting commences at exactly 17:00 GMT. So which is in Nigerian time, it is 5 p.m. So 17 GMT. So you should know what the time should be in your own time zone. So after the voting period, it will now become the calculation period, and after that the announcement. And after the announcement, then if this particular token passes 500 votes, then the announcement will be you'll be told that the token will be listed soon on Bitmart. And once it is listed, within probably 2 to 3 days, you'll receive your guaranteed token. Now for this particular token, we have a pool price of 8,000. Wow, 8,000. Now how do they share this 8,000? The first 500 voters will share $3,000, while the remaining will have about 1,400 copies of this NFT. So if 500 could take 3,000 home, $3,000 home, then the remaining voters will share the remaining $5,000 dollars. Even if the pool price is $4,000, the first 500 voters will share 3,000, while the remaining will be for the remaining voters. So that is how it is being done. So, and the voting is very simple. Once the qualification period is over and the voting period is on, you just click on vote. Once you click on vote, just one tap and it will mark you voted, and that's all for this vote to earn token. It's a very simple process, and every week you'll be getting guaranteed tokens in which you can also swap and get your desired coin, or exchange it for your earnings, or do anything you want to do with it. So this is one of the basic way of gaining some tokens using this Bitmart exchange. So if you don't have a Bitmart account, I will leave a link in the description box where you can register, because you need to register and also verify your account. You will pass your KYC 1 level 1 verification, you pass your level 2 verification. The registration is just a two line registration. It's not complex. It is a very simple, just 2 line information that you need to provide, and also perform your level 1 and level 2 verification. Then you proceed to the marketplace like I've shown you, and select the NFT that you wish to buy. I'm talking about this vote to earn NFT. According to the price, you just select the ones that are cheap and start voting. Thank you. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box, and I will also attend to them. Thank you.